Nse William Ruto nigaigereire omoroberio o Hustler Fund asaenekire buna ni GOKONYERE chiribu cy'Abakenya okwana asomo yegabo kuigora cyabisi cya International Trade Center ITC imiyomo cyo Nairobi ni gorto atebire buna Abakenya CHIMIRIONI 25 noyomo nigo bakonyekire kurwa asomoroberio yo o Hustler Fund asegwetania chi billion 53 cyatumikire irinda kwenekibuna abasae kwa igenda ile bale.
To expand financial inclusion, we launched the Financial Inclusion Fund. So far, disbursed 80 billion Kenya shillings to many Kenyans since November 2022. The fund has provided dignified credit to those previously excluded from formal lending. And let me say this about the Hustler Fund. The primary micro and small enterprises. In 2022, we had Kenyans, 3 million of them being micro enterprises who were blacklisted in our credit reference bureaus, and they could not undertake any business, they could not open an account, they were completely locked out of the economic space. We took the decision that we are going to change how credit is accessed in Kenya. We also took the firm position and negotiated with credit reference bureaus, and we redeemed 7 million Kenyans who were blacklisted and gave them a second chance. Today, I am very confident and happy that the 7 million Kenyans have since transformed. Today, we have 2 million Kenyans who borrow religiously from the Hustler Fund. Today, we have close to 800,000 entrepreneurs, small businesses, that today borrow money on our bridge finance as part of the Hustler Fund. And they are doing this without the benefit of any collateral. The biggest problem we had in Kenya was that for you to access credit, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 150,000, you either had to have a logbook of some, or you have some title to some piece of land, or you have a pay slip. Today, an ordinary citizen without a pay slip, without a title deed, without a logbook, can access up to 150,000 shillings on the Hustler Fund, the only collateral being their credit record, that they are decent people and they can pay. It has expanded the collateral space. Today, the collateral space includes your credit rating, which comes as a result of you being able to pay your debts.